Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening both workbooks and saving them in stable locations so links don't break. Once done, convert key ranges to tables or create named ranges. This makes references resilient when rows change. Now start a formula in the destination file with equals, switch to the source workbook, and click the cell you want. You'll see an external reference like equals source. XLSX sheet 1, $1. Make sure to use absolute references when linking single cells to prevent unintended shifts. Next, you build the logic that pulls the right values across files. If you need lookups, use XLOOKUP for simplicity or index/match for compatibility. Point the lookup array to the external table column. Once set, structured table references read clearer and resist row inserts. Make sure to lock keys with $ when copying formulas. Also check calculation options. Automatic update usually works, but manual can help for very large files. If manual, remember to recalculate F9 after changes. To finish, refresh all links and confirm destination cells match the source values. Use data edit links to change or break links when needed. Once stable, consider migrating to Power Query for repeatable, auditable merges and scheduled refresh capability. Then save a version copy and protect critical sheets to prevent accidental edits. If something goes wrong, check that source files are in the same path or update link paths in edit links. Broken paths are the most common cause of missing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.